Hi, welcome to this video. Day 26 Affiliate Marketing Beginner to Expert 30 Days Challenge $1,000. In this video, we are going to see about how to write a content. Content writing is a very vast chapter, and even though it is a vast chapter, it's a very easy kind of thing. In this video, I'll just tell you what are all the key points to be followed while writing a content. The major key points I'll just list out now, and we just follow this key points and you can write a content in a very beautiful manner. And before that, I have just wanted to make sure that we are just running a affiliate marketing mastery course also. In this affiliate marketing mastery course, we have covered all the topics of affiliate marketing, one of the important topics of affiliate marketing and also digital marketing. In this chapters, we have covered about SEO, content writing, niche selection, email marketing, creating a blog website, and affiliate marketing links, and SEO optimized content, creating an SEO optimized content. Like that, n number of chapters have been covered in this affiliate marketing mastery course. And before going to this, I'll just come to this video how to write a content. There are n number of methods you have to make a SEO optimized content. You have finished the keyword research, everything you have done, and now it's for your time to write a content. The first and foremost thing while writing a content, what you have to follow is you have to follow the own content. You should not copy a content from somebody else. Make your own content and don't copy with anybody. Don't copy from any other's content or blog, because the Google search engine, it's not like previous times. Now it runs with the artificial intelligence and the reasoning capacity. So whoever copies it easily identifies who has duplicated, and it will not index your blog, and the original content will only be indexed in Google, and he will rank higher than you, right? And don't write wall of text. Go for a very short paragraphs. Always go for a very short paragraphs. No, don't write a content as a wall of text. Keep on writing. A wall of text will not make the prospects to have a look at your blog. Use professional images. There is a psychology called whoever watches the blog first, his eye goes to the images. So always use copyright free images, and also use a very professional images. The professional images can be taken from Shutterstock, Trello, and canva.com. Like that, many websites are there. You can go there and you can take a copyright free images, and always use images. Not only images, you can also go for a multimedia content like videos, anything you can add in your content. It has an added advantage. Storytelling has a better advantage. Narrate your content as a story. Don't narrate it as a raw kind of thing. Don't narrate it with no emotions, no sensitivity, no personal touch, nothing. You shouldn't like that. Please don't deliver your blog. Always deliver your blog like a narration of storytelling, right? And always, this is the most important thing, don't make it as one to many conversation. Always make it as one to one conversation. One to one conversation has the personal connect with the prospects. Always have one to one conversation because it has the personal connect with the prospects, and one to many conversation does not have a personal connect with the prospects. I previously told not to go copy some other's content. It is not good to copy some other's content, but it is good to collect the statistics, or it is good to collect the data of some other blogs. So if you collect the data of some other blogs, it is very good, and you can collect the data of some other blogs, and you can use it in your blogs, but you shouldn't copy the same exact blog content from other another blog and place it in your blog. That is different. That you will get duplicated, and you will not get rank in the Google. So it is fine to get the other websites statistics. Research other blogs. You can research on the other blogs of your niches. If your niches is related niches, you can go to some other websites and go on. You can just research on the other blogs. Researching is good, but copying is not good. So you can research on other blogs of your niches. So that is absolutely fine. Go to some other blogs and you can research on it. Use content idea keywords. I have already shown you how to get the content ideas keywords in SEM Rush tool. So always use content idea keywords. The content idea keywords is the most important thing. So please use content idea keywords either by free keyword research tool or by paid keyword research tool. That is up to you. Use LSI keywords. I have already said the use importance of LSI keywords, because the LSI keywords you can make a relative keywords and distinguish to make the Google search engine to index properly. Use Grammarly. Your content should not have any grammatical mistake. Please use Grammarly. And always, each and every blog, there should be a final remarks. Every blog, if you are writing a blog, it should have a final remarks. I'll give an example. If you are writing a blog about a hotel, you have to give a final remarks that I stayed in the hotel and it was very fine. I stayed in the hotel, it was not good. I stayed in this hotel and the food was good. Please come and stay in the hotel, it's like a heaven. Always give a final blog of your niche. The final blog will always be in the heart of your prospect who is reading your blog. So these are all the most important things what you have to follow while writing a blog. And please do follow this. And guys who want to master in affiliate marketing can master in affiliate marketing. I have just given the number also in the description. You can make a WhatsApp to this number and join the course, and you can earn lakhs and lakhs of rupees. And it's a very easy thing. And in affiliate mastery, it will be taught step by step. You can easily learn everything. Thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.